Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, we're going to focus on everyday work English, the simple but powerful skill of asking and answering questions at work. These are short, polite exchanges that help you connect with colleagues, clients, or even strangers you meet. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to answer questions like, what do you do? And where do you work? Quickly, clearly, and with confidence. Think about it. These questions come up all the time in work, interviews, or networking. If you can answer smoothly, you instantly sound more professional. Let's start with the classic, what do you do? This question really means, what is your job? Here are some polite, short answers. I'm a teacher. I work as a driver. I'm a student. Notice, we don't need long answers here, just your role. If you want to add a little more detail, you can say, I work as a nurse in a hospital. I'm a student at Swansea University. Very simple, very clear. Now, repeat after me. I work in. Great. Now, another common question. Where do you work? This is asking about your company, your workplace, or your field. For example, I work for Tesco. I work at the airport. I work in construction. Notice the difference. I work for when you say the company. I work at when you say the place. I work in when you talk about a field. Let's practice. I work for Samsung. I work at a school. I work in IT. Short, polite, and natural. In English, it's common to keep answers short and polite. For example, if someone asks, what do? You don't need to tell your life story. Too long. Well, I started working 5 years ago and now I'm in charge of several projects and I'm also studying. Better, I'm a project manager. If the person is interested, they'll ask more questions. That's how small talk works. Now, don't forget, English conversation is about balance. After you answer, it's polite to ask back. For example, I'm a driver. How about you? I work in finance. What about you? This keeps the conversation going naturally. Now, let's practice together. I'll ask the question and you answer out loud. Ready? What do you do? Where do you work? Well done. Remember, practice saying these out loud. The more you repeat, the more natural it feels. So today, you learned how to answer what do you do, answer where do you work, keep your answers short and polite, and ask the question back. Next time someone asks you these questions, you'll be ready to sound confident and professional in English. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me, what do you do? Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next lesson.